Well, stuff shuffling part 2 continues with my ex-sister-in-law's new home, where I help her unpack, clean, and try and get organized. And anybody that has ever moved will know that there's going to be some casualties. And anybody that has pets also knows that they're the true homeowners and we are just their servants. Well, the new washer and dryer finally arrived, but before that could happen, we had to clean out the laundry room, and we had to find another temporary place for all the 4 boxes of cat litter. And the only place to put those was in the spare bedroom, which was being used as a storage room. And in order to do that, we had to move out boxes, bins, the freezer, some shelves, a kitchen cabinet to make room for all those boxes of cat litter. And then, of course, we had to put together the china cabinets in the dining area, and so we could unpack all the serving stuff, so I would be able to eventually get to the kitchen. Now, the kitchen I will leave for part 3. So here in the entrance, still a lot of stuff. Well, there will be for a little while here. See all these boxes here? They are all empty, and she's going to give those to a new friend who is going to be moving. So we're going to break them down and get them out of here. And then, okay, so over here, there's that bonus room that's going to be her daughter's bedroom. They have to insulate the ceiling, redo the ceiling, get a new hatch thing put in there, and then hopefully that'll be nice and toasty warm. And then there's a bathroom right off here. Well, it's not a bath. This is the laundry room. Now, she does not have her washer and dryer yet. They are supposed to be coming next Wednesday. So those will be put in there. So this is her daughter's temporary room, which is one of the reasons she has not done much unpacking here at all. And unfortunately, in the closet here, they took the shelf. So, yeah, I don't know why they did that. So that really limits where they can put things too. Right, Charlie? So her room is going to be that nice big room at the front after the work gets done. But for now, unfortunately, this is where she's got to hang out. Right, Charlie? Now, looking down the hallway here, we have chalkboard paint on this one wall. And in this room here, we have a whole pile of stuff that we also need to get cleared out. And this will be a bedroom. There's some empty bins and boxes in here as well. This all needs to be cleared out and then things put where they're going to go. This is the great room, and it is absolutely gorgeous. You know, she doesn't normally have a bed in the living room here, but she's sleeping here, and she's allowed me to sleep in her room while I'm staying here and helping her. She's got her work area set up in front of the window, and yeah, I got cabinets still to put together, and obviously lots of boxes and things to still unpack. Okay, so I broke down all the boxes yesterday and put the extra paper for wrapping and stuff in the bag and that box, and then there's a little bit of bubble wrap there. We moved that bench down a bit, and we brought this little wicker shelf thing out. So gradually making a little bit of room here. So tonight, what I've been trying to do is make some room in here. Those are all empty bins there. So she's going to repack some of her daughter's things there and put them there. This is going to be her daughter's room eventually. It needs some work up there. New hatch done, new blown in insulation, new ceiling, and has to be some source of heat put in here as well, because it's pretty cool. And so that's that. But I had to get stuff out of the way here because We've got to bring some more totes in because the washer and dryer are coming tomorrow. So she's got to move all the litter boxes out of the laundry room, which is where they all are right now. And that would be over there. So I'm just going to clean out these laundry shelves here that did not get cleaned out at all by the previous owner. I'd already put a few things in here, but I'll get those taken out and I will clean that too. Okay, so in this cabinet, I just have the dryer sheets and balls and things in that thing there. Still easy to get to. This is where all the pet stuff is going to be. Cat litter, the bags for emptying it, extra gloves and everything, and whatever that is. And we'll probably add, you know, pet towels and medicine and whatever else needs to go in here. On this side, I have everything for washing, for doing the laundry, like laundry detergent and stain treatment. And on the top there is the iron, which she only uses when she's sewing, which won't be for a while probably. So anyway, that's that. And those are toothbrushes. We think those are her friends. So we're not getting rid of those right now. We'll ask her friend first if those are hers because they almost made it to the garbage. Under the sink here, I did try and clean it out. I could not get all the stains, but it's a lot better. And there's one thing of fabric softener that was just a little bit too tall to go in that cabinet. And then bathroom cleaner, Febreze. And that's what's in there for now. We have this little rolly cart thing with extra toilet paper and cleaning wipes and Lysol and that type of thing. Of course, the toilet brush and a plunger. Hopefully never need to use that. But everything's nice and clean now, ready for them to deliver the washer and the dryer. Much anticipated, so we can get some laundry started. So here in the laundry room, got the washer and dryer in, and unfortunately, she did 2 loads and then found that there's a leak, like soaking the wall. So she's got to get a plumber here to come and check that out. So that's where everything is there. I am going to start cleaning out this bathroom. I probably won't have time to do like the whole thing. I'm going to unpack a few things and try and make a little bit more order for them. And I really got to get on to the kitchen. Well, I didn't really do too much in here. Just kind of, I cleaned out the cabinets, moved the towels here and that, and put all that stuff in there. And like I cleared out all those shelves. I put some stuff up high that is not used all the time, and kind of left it like that because don't have a lot of time, and things are going to change in here too. This is only a temporary bathroom for my sister-in-law's daughter, and her dad will be coming here too. So we had to move the litter boxes in here temporarily while we were getting the new washer and dryer, and got it blocked off here so just the cats can get in there and the dogs cannot. So the cats have been hiding in here. 2 of the shelves have just been taken out of here and taken into the living room, and I'll show you that in a minute. Well, I didn't get as far as I wanted to today, but yesterday we put these together. So here in the living room, this little shelf here has been added, and another one there. So this one, I guess, is going to have like DVDs and movies and whatever else fits on there, I guess. And over on this side, it's going to be books. So that's that. I maybe actually be able to unpack some of these books here if I have time. What I want to do is at least put the Christmas dishware away in these cabinets here. I'm not sure if I'll do it in this one or that one. We need a couple of screws so we can put the glass doors on the other side. They're special screws, so can't just be easy, of course, right? Anyway, that's what I want to do. I'd like to be able to surprise her when she comes back from her exercise class. I did not want to go today. since I've been up since 2:30. But anyway, that's our progress here so far. Well, I've unpacked a few of her books and tried to put them together by genre and size, more or less. And I know she's got more books, but I figure get them unpacked. I'm sure she'll arrange them afterwards. And I also rearranged this one over here, this little shelf. And I know, like I said, she's got a lot more books, so she's got room to put them in. Again, I didn't quite finish here, but I've got a few things in the cabinets. And yeah, she's got lots more stuff that she can use to display here. We still have to get those glass doors on. One of them's up there and the other one's here. So that's that. And rearranging the living room here and trying it. And she's just trying out the chairs there to see how it'll look when she gets a sofa. So lots of room now that that bed has been moved out of the space. So yeah, unfortunately we had a casualty of moving. That TV got wrecked, so that's going to have to go in e-waste now. But at least it's starting to look a little bit more like a home. So as you can see coming in here, we don't have that wall of boxes and things. And a lot of the coat bins have been taken out of the area too. We got to keep this big box for the new washer, just in case if it needs to go back in within 48 hours, it would have to go back in this box. But otherwise, then this can go to the dump. But we've got a little bit more space here. The freezer's been moved there temporarily. Eventually it's going to get moved. You know, they'll be doing the great switcheroony, but gradually getting things unpacked. I really wanted to have the kitchen done for them, but I just don't have time. So she's got a bunch of boxes and things still to unpack for the kitchen, and we can only do what we can do, right? So I'll try and get her organized so she can do as much as she can on her own. We've talked about a few different ideas for organizing, so that's how I'm going to have to leave it.